tired of the same old look behind all your pictures and you want something different? Well, we got a green screen. We're gonna put it up. We're gonna show you how big it is and how much fun it is to use it. Okay, so as you can see, it's just a standard stand that it goes up a little over 6 feet, and it's got this pole that holds it. Now, these right here, depending on what kind you have, it's got a pocket like a curtain rod. So you could probably put this on your curtain rod if you wanted to. But it comes with these little clips right here. We're gonna clip it on, and then we're gonna be able to give you a little bit better view. Alrighty. And boom, looky there. Now we've got this. So now I can be here, or I can be here, or I can be anywhere because of this. So if you are looking to change your scenery without ever leaving your house, then get you a green screen.